to clean, meals to make. What a life that we've designed. I'd do it a million times with you and never get tired. You're my piece of heaven on earth. Oh, you make it all worth it. You're the reason I keep hitting snooze just to stay next to you. Over and over and over again. Over and over again. Grocery aisle hand in hand. Little world but so grand. Picking up the bread and wine like we've done a million times before. And I never get tired, 'cause you're my piece of heaven on earth. Oh, you make it all worth it. You're the reason I keep hitting snooze just to stay next to you. Over and over and over again. I can't wait to do this with you. Over and over and over again. Over and over again. From bacon and coffee to dinner and whiskey, life is a journey as long as you're with me. Small little moments I'll never let go of. Life moves too fast, but I live for the slowness. You're my reason, my piece of heaven. You're my piece of heaven on earth. Oh, you make it all worth it. You're the reason I keep hitting snooze just to stay next to you. Over and over and over again. I can't wait to do this with you. Over and over and over again. Over and over again.
You save me from myself. You're there when I need help. It's okay, it's alright. We don't have to decide right now. 'Cause I know this is home. With you I'm home. Yeah, I know this is home. With you I'm home. You are my home. I found safety in the storm. In your arms they keep me warm. It's not something I'll lose at all. It's okay, it's alright. We don't have to decide right now. 'Cause I know this is home. With you I'm home. Yeah, I know this is home. insecure, 'cause you pulled the trigger first and I was caught in the dark. If you and me were never meant to be, here we go on to the silence. I can't show what it is I've been fighting on my own. And I know, and I know, I know. We're something to remember. It slipped right through our fingers. I want the good times back. It's the end of the night when I can't seem to sleep and I'm turning, and I think of those times where you and me would talk about our dreams. Well, here we go on to the silence. I can't show what it is I've been fighting on